Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting right in Settings to enable screen time. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, then select Turn on Screen Time. Choose whether this is your iPhone or a child's device. Next, set a screen time passcode. This prevents unwanted changes and syncs limits across devices when family sharing is active. If prompted, enable share across devices so limits apply everywhere. Once done, you'll see the dashboard summary. Make sure to note downtime and app limits controls that we'll configure next. Now configure precise controls. Tap downtime to pick start and end times and select days. This silences non-essential apps during those hours. Then go to app limits and add categories or individual apps, set daily limits using hours and minutes, and toggle block at limit if you want strict enforcement. Use always allowed to keep phone and essential apps accessible regardless of downtime. Also enable content and privacy restrictions if you need stricter controls. This combination ensures limits are both scheduled and app-specific. Finish by reviewing the Screen Time Weekly Report to confirm limits work as intended and tweak schedules or app limits based on real usage. If managing a family, use family sharing to apply and monitor child accounts remotely. For final checks, ensure Screen Time passcode is set and devices are updated to iOS 18. Mismatched device time or disabled share across devices can prevent enforcement. If limits aren't applying, restart the device and verify screen time settings and passcode. One restart often resolves sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.